Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about how we can save Terraform plan to a file. Okay, so we are also going to discuss like why we need it and how we can do it practically. Okay, so use case of saving plan to a file. So many organizations require documented proof of plan changes before implementation. So if you are working in some organization and they are following the procedure, whenever you are going to change something in infra, you need to show them and you need to share the specific plan, whatever plan that you are proposing, and that will be implemented in the next release. So you have to share the configuration changes with the appropriate person, so that they can review your changes, and then after that they will approve the changes, and you can go ahead using that plan. You can run Terraform apply and the infrastructure will get created or updated according to the requirement. Okay, so many organizations require documented proof of the plan changes before implementation. So these changes will further be reviewed and approved. Okay, running Terraform apply from plan ensure consistent desired outcome. So you can save your plan to a specific file, and using that file you can run Terraform apply. Okay, so how we can save Terraform plan to a file? We have to use Terraform plan -out, okay, and the file name where you want to save the plan. Okay, so let's go ahead and see these things practically. Okay, so here I have written the script that is creating EC2 instance. Okay, so what I will do, I will run Terraform init first here. Okay, so once Terraform init will run, yeah, so let's run Terraform plan -out, and as we are creating EC2, I will give the file name as ec2.tf. So as you can see here, we got one file, right, that is ec2.tf, right. So we are not able to open this file, okay, because this is the binary file, but we can also, you can see saved the plan to ec2.tf, right. You can give any name. So suppose if you want to save it to ec2.plan, let's run it. Okay, so there is some issue, so let me close the terminal. It will be better if I save this into the plan file. So I will change the name here. Let me open the terminal here again. So let me run Terraform init, and Terraform plan -out, okay, ec2.plan. let's see. So as you can see, we got one file here, right, that ec2.plan. so you should not use ec2.tf, okay, that will be cause any kind of issue, but it's always recommended to use the whatever naming convention you are following in your organization. So you should use that, and then after that you add the plan. So anyone can understand that this is the plan file that we have saved, okay, that is related to our configuration changes in Terraform. Okay. So as you can see, saved the plan to ec2.plan. You to perform exactly this action, run the following command to apply: Terraform apply and ec2.plan. So whenever we want to like run our like whatever changes we have here, suppose if someone review the changes and they approve the changes, and we have to make sure that we are running Terraform apply command using whatever plan file we have shared with the appropriate person in our organization who is reviewed our changes, right. So we have to use the ec2.plan file to create and modify the resources that have been approved already. Okay. So we'll go ahead and run Terraform apply and ec2 plan. Okay, let's run it. As you can see, it's creating EC2 instance, right? AWS instance test getting created. So let's wait for some time. So apply completed, resource 1 added, 0 change. Okay. So we can also use Terraform show command to show the file, whatever plan we have saved. To show the plan, we can use Terraform show command, right? Let's run it. So as you can see here, what output we are getting here. Let's go up. Yeah. So the resource name is AWS instance and the name is test, right? AMI ID we have, ARN we have like this, okay, and associated public IP address and all the detail that will be applicable to our EC2 instance are saved in the plan file, okay, that we are going to share with the appropriate person who is responsible to review the plan. Then after that they will approve, and using that plan file we have to run Terraform apply. So this is the main use case of saving the plan to a file, okay, Terraform plan to a file. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.